Welcome back everyone to DC Unplugged, and we have a really special one. We have a brand spanking new scooter to reveal here, so let me move out of the way and show you what's right behind me. So this is the Dragon Scorpion, and we're going to do an unboxing and our first look at this scooter. So let's waste no more time. Let's grab that knife there that I've conveniently put there and get cracking into the box. Let's do it. Oh man, I'm so excited guys. I love new scooters. I've only ever seen photos of this thing. But before we continue, as always, if you like and enjoying the content guys, please definitely think about subscribing and liking the video. It helps me so much to get more content out for you guys, and it makes me know what you guys are liking. So let YouTube know that you are enjoying this video, and then it helps me, vice versa. So anyway, let's get cracking on with the video and get this open. Let's have our first look. So as always guys, let's get opening into this box. Let's have our first look at the packing and how it's packed. So let's have a look. Alright guys, so you're joining me with this. I have not seen this scooter at all. So we've got ourselves a screen. Ooh, we've got a thumb thrower that looks a lot like the new Lightning, which I'm actually a big fan of. I did get to ride that. That review is coming soon. But yeah, everything looks really good. We've got hydro brakes guys. That's a good sign. The new scooter logo down there. Oh, it's rubber. A lot like the Lightnings. Hey, look, we've got a little Scorpion logo down there. Nice. Cool. Well, let's cut open the sides here, guys, and let's have our first proper look at this thing. I'm excited as. And as you guys can probably hear, apparently my birds are excited for it as well. Anyway, let's get cracking. Oh, I love myself a good fresh blade. You ready guys? Alright, I'm not even gonna look at this. You guys get to see it before I do. Ready? Does it look good? Oh wow, look at this. Yo. Okay. It's like a bit of plastic. It might have RGB. Hopefully it does, that'd be sick. Oh, here we go, here's our box. Alright guys, in the box, we have user manual, charger brick, I'm sure you guys have seen this so many times, cord, let's have a look in here, see what it charges at. So just some very quick specs on this particular scooter. 52 volt 21 amp hour battery, so it is more of a, I wouldn't say lower scooter, but it is pretty cool. Bollocks of it there anyway. So it charges at obviously up to 58.8 at 2 amp, so a little bit slow. Hopefully, haven't had a proper look at it yet. Hopefully it charges to has 2 charge ports, so we can fast charge it, which would be pretty good. Over there. There we go. But damn, this looks cool as. Or this, all right. Let's get it fully out of the box. Or maybe we shouldn't. I don't know. Let's put the handlebars on first. We'll see the rest when we get there. Putting the Dragon Scorpion together is actually really easy. It's just a matter of putting these bars on, which just requires you to take the top bolt off, ensuring that the throttle is on the right hand side of the scooter facing forward. Putting the stem bolt back on, I usually like to have a slightly tight to help with adjustment from left to right. Then moving on to the pinch bolts found on the side of the stem, snug fit, making sure your alignment is straight, and then a final nip up on the top stem bolt. And around the front you'll have to plug in the display cable. This is really easy. There are arrows pointing in the direction of the way they're supposed to go. Lining these up and it should be just a nice simple click. And pretty much after that your scooter's pretty much ready to go. Checking tyres and everything like that just before you ride it. Let's get this thing out of the box and have a full proper look at it for the very first time. I'm pretty excited. Let's do this. Yo, let's look at it. Look, we even got the biggest brother. There's a big brother over there, but oh guys, this thing looks cool as. all these little intricate details, guys. A lot like the Lightnings, man. I love intricate details. Like we've got little cutouts, carbon, got the kind of like very sharp lines and stuff like that from almost like the Lightnings and stuff with their stem and the Hurricane. So we've got some trickle down parts from there. We've got our charge port. Oh, it looks like it's the updated Dragon one, the anti-spark. That's good. Do we have another one though? That's the nope. So we got one charger, one charge port. Big nice cutouts in the arms. Very beefy too. Nice and cast. We've got here another one down here. Oh, we got yes. We have oil shocks down from the Lightning in this thing. Dude, this thing's gonna feel sick. Oh, guys, this is so sick. I love this scooter. It's really cool. The cool thing is this scooter, from what I've been told, is meant to sit between the Cyclone Pro and the Predator. So hence the reason why it's not a 60-volt system, which makes sense. So, but this is a very cool, solid-looking bit of kit, man. Oh, I love all the details, and especially love this. This is so cool. The Scorpion logo. Just so happens I'm a Scorpio too. All right, guys. So this scooter starts with NFC. This was found in the box. So that is a little NFC card. Little Dragon Scooters logo. Very cool. Very, very cool. So I think let's do our very first startup, and I'll bring you in close and we'll have a look at this scooter. For the very first time, very first startup. Let's get in close. So this has a throttle exactly like the Lightning. So you got power, negative, plus, minus, and mode. So got the NFC card. Let's hold the power and see what happens. Oh, that's cool. Okay, that was actually really cool. I like that startup. Hey, there we go. Oh, we have a park. We have a park again with the wheelies. We've got time. If we press the power button, what do we get? Trip, OD, voltage, no error codes. Yeah, cool. This reminds me of the screen of the Slayer, which is kind of cool. Lots of information needed. There's pretty much all the information you really need. We have indicators on here. Does it have indicators on the screen? No indicators on the screen. However, we have front and back indicators. Very nice. Good. Lights. Horn. Actually, no, let's go horn, guys. Ready? Let's do this. It's a little bit quieter than the Lightning. Just a tad, but same pitch though. So, yeah, right. Right. Lights. No, what? Guys, what? Yo. I'm hoping this comes up on camera. That is changing colors. That is changing colors. That is so sick. Guys, that is full changing colors. RGB, RGBLBT. I'm kidding. That is sick. Guys, that looks so good. Yeah, right. We've got a nice cutoff beam. I can see it there on the table there. Very nice. But that is so cool. Oh, guys, that is sick. Hopefully these guys are seeing that now. It's like, yeah, there we go, pulsating across that way. That is sick. That looks so cool. Big fan, love that. That's sick. It needs to be on every single Dragon scooter. I'm a big fan of the whole color changing thing. I don't think we're going to be able to change the colors. We'll have to investigate. But yeah, sick. Nice. This is sick. I love it. This is really cool. There's a lot to love about this. This is sick. I love it. Oh, I'm in love. I love it. This thing is sick. Oh, guys, I'm really hoping that comes up on camera. I'm just desperately hoping that comes up. But I have been waiting for Dragon to make something like this just to make it look aesthetically cool as an eye-catching. This is what Dragon should have been. This should have been on the Lightning V2s, I reckon. Changing colors on the side, or at least something you could choose the color. This is sick. I am a huge fan of this. Like, I'm not sure if you guys have seen the PC build video that I did, but I built my own PC, never done it before in my life, and I have all this stuff in my computer, and this is just cool. Like, I know it's very geeky and nerdy, but it is so cool to have this cruising down the road and it changing colors. It's just, I don't know, I really like it. I'm a big fan, and it's subtle too. It's not like it's not like it's everywhere on a couple of other scooters. It's just in this one nice little section, and I'm a massive fan. Oh, this is so cool. I cannot wait to do the review on this and get a good ride on this to see what it's like, because this is sick. I love it. Hydraulic brakes, 52 volt, sine wave controls. We have sine wave in this. This is the big difference in this. And those motors do look a lot bigger. 6.5. I just noticed something, guys. These motors, they're 11 inch. They're not 10 inch. These are 11 inch motors. In fact, they look like smaller versions of what's on behind it here. What? Oh, this thing's gonna be so sick. Very cool, guys. I'm gonna wrap it up here, but what a bloody cool scooter. This is sick. I really like this. Oh, I cannot wait to do this, guys. I cannot wait. This is sick. It's got me pumped. Anyway, guys, if you guys really liked this video and you got to see the very first of the Dragon Scorpion, well, definitely leave us a like, guys, and we'll see you all in the next video reviewing this scooter. Anyway, ride safe, wear a full face helmet out there, guys, and we'll see you all in the next video. Till then, see you next time.